Hi, welcome back to 3D Printed Soup, the show which, like its host, is lumpy, smells odd, and it's probably well past its sell-by date. I like playing role-playing games, especially tabletop role-playing games. The only issue of role-playing games is sometimes they're a little bit flat, so I have dedicated myself to printing out really good terrain for board games and for D&D. This week, my D&D party are going to an abandoned town, so I need to print some ruins. Ruins. I've looked at the Thingiverse and I found a really good set of abandoned, almost ruin-like structures, which basically look good and I think with a decent paint job are going to be really exactly what we need for this D&D adventure. So, links in the description as always. Let's see if we can't make ourselves some lovely 3D ruin terrain. Let's give this a go. So yeah, that went really, really well, and I'm very, very happy with the way these things turned out. Got nice sort of mossy green bits with some contrast paint, some flock there, and a few extra bits and some nice texture paint. Made this turn out very, very nicely. So with a bit of old mouldy furniture and a few character models, and yeah, this is going to look very, very nice. So yeah, very happy with the way that turned out, and hopefully I should be able to print out 4 or 5 more of these in different designs. I've got some taller ones and some thinner ones, and ones which aren't quite as damaged as this one. But yeah, for a first go, this is fantastic. I'm looking forward to putting this in a game and seeing what the rest of the group think of them. Thanks for watching 3D Printed Soup. I'm hoping to do some more terrain this week, and I'm going to do some more videos on it for next week as well. Links in the description below for all the terrain that I've printed. Feel free to look at my other videos as well, because there's lots of really good sort of 3D printed terrain, from lighthouses to castles to futuristic stuff. Anything you pretty much want for RPG games. And all printed out using an Ender 3, so a fairly affordable, easy to assemble kit as well. I'd really recommend it. Once again, thanks for watching. Click the link up there so you get notified when my next video is up. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.